Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook watch history permanently. This video is very useful for you who wants to clear your watch history on Facebook permanently. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's just open Facebook app. After opening your Facebook app, you can see on the bottom right corner there is 3-line menu and then you can just tap this. After tapping that menu, you can just scroll down and you will find settings and privacy. Just tap the settings and privacy. After tapping settings and privacy, and you will find an option settings. Just tap the settings. After opening settings and privacy page, you can just scroll down. And you will see in your information, you will see an option activity log. You can just tap this activity log. If you want to delete your watch history on Facebook, you can just scroll down. And you can see an option view activity history. Just tap this. After tapping activity history, you can see an option filters. Just tap this filters. And then you will see there is categories and date. Just tap categories. There are some categories here. Just tap logged actions and other activity, your devices, logins, videos you have watched, and more. And then you can choose videos you have watched. Here are some videos you have watched and you can delete this one by one. There is no direct way to delete all of this video watch history. If you want to delete your watch history, you can delete this one by one. For example, if you want to delete one of the history, you can just tap 3-dot line. You will see delete. Just tap delete. And then if you want to delete more, you can just tap 3-dot line and then you can tap delete. That is the only way, one by one. And if you want to delete watch history from specific date or specific month or specific year, you can just tap filters again and then you can see there is date. And you can set the date. Start date January 2021 and then done, and end date is 2022. Done. Okay, I will make this filter and just tap done. And here are the watch history I have filtered from 2021 to January 2022. And you can also delete one by one here. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in deleting Facebook watch history permanently. And if you like this video, you can just give thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Fauhow channel. And make sure you have turned on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about social media or digital tutorial. Thank you.